In the previous module, we're able to view the WordPress installation we have deployed on our machine. We're able to access the admin dashboard using the URL, and we're able to go through the menus of the dashboard. So in this module, we're going to install a WordPress theme. So for this, you need access to the internet. So we'll go to Appearance and click on theme. So by default, the installation comes with 3 themes: the 2021 theme, the 2029 theme, and the 2020 theme. These come with every installation of WordPress. They come by default. So for us to add our own theme, you come here and click on Add New. So if you are connected to the internet, it's going to display the various themes that are available. Literally thousands of themes. A lot of them are free. Most of them are paid. You have to buy a license. So let's say, for example, let's use green light. Let's say green. So you can search for themes using keyword and install them. So let's install this. Say installation failed. Let's try another one. This. Okay, that's it. If you check it, it has already installed. So once you install, you need to activate it. So let's click on activate, and voila, you have your. You can see the theme we just installed online. So